Hi everyone and welcome to my place. If you're like me and you want to absolutely eliminate and get rid of plastic for lining your bins, I have got the perfect solution. So we will get rid of that, and my method is to use newspaper, and we've probably all got access to this. Now I can remember in the 60s, before plastic bags were ever invented, well, they were invented in the 20s, but it wasn't until the 60s that they actually started to make their way onto the market. Well, here in New Zealand there's a ban on all plastic carry-away supermarket bags, and it wasn't until the Saturday's newspaper that I was reading that the sale of plastic bin liner bags has absolutely increased, because the shopping bags that they used to get to put their groceries in to take home, they were using to line their bags. Well, I sort of think that long term that is not a good thing for our community, our society, our landfill, and for our environment. So I put my thinking cap on and I remembered what my nan and mum and all of the ladies used to do for lining the bins in their kitchens. Very, very simple. All you need is 2 pieces of newspaper, and the bigger the size of the newspaper, you might have to sort of like fiddle around, but the bigger the size of your paper, the bigger the size of the bag will be. So for now, I'll just show you how to make a small one. Right, let me just get rid of this out of the way. So you need at least 2 pieces of paper, and you need to bring the corners up you need a square, and you need to bring your corners up. Now this bit that's along there, I just actually cut that bit off, and I'll show you what I do with that bit. But I know that with what I'm going to do with my food scraps, this will go straight into my compost. Okay, so folding that up like so, then it's just a matter of bringing that side over to that side, and then this point over to there, like so. And then you just need to get your 2 pieces. I've got 2 pieces there. 2 pieces, fold those down like that, and then go to the other side and fold those 2 down like that. And then you have a perfect bag, which is perfect. So that's 2 bits of paper for putting into your bin. Now, with this little bit here that I kept, what I do is I just fold that and put that down to the bottom of my bin so that I've got an extra layer. And then you just open that up, and that goes into there. When you've got your food scraps into it and it's ready to go to the compost, it's just a matter of picking that up and taking it out. Now for a bin like this size here, as I said, the bigger the paper, so that's what I've done with that, and I'll show you now so that you can see what I've done. Just unfold that. So here what I've done is I've actually made it to the square size, so that I've used 3 bits. I've got 1 bit down the base there, then I've put that on the top like that, brought that to there, so that when you do fold it over like that you do have a nice square, that like that, and then that goes over to there like that, that goes over to there, fold that down there, and fold that over there like that. You'll be much neater than I am, and then that just gets placed into your bin like so, and it's recyclable and the paper will break down, whereas this won't. So it's a solution, and I thought it was a good solution. So if you want to have an attempt at saving the planet like I'm trying to by eliminating plastic, maybe that and this might be the way forward. Hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day.